What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Kevin Svenson here. Just wanted to come to you guys with a video today talking about the news that JP Morgan had. Actually, multiple pieces of news that JP Morgan had. Talking about Bitcoin falling to 1,260. Going to be going over a few things, why I disagree with this prediction, and you know, what the hell is JP Morgan doing? You know, bashing Bitcoin right now with all kinds of different articles all at the same time. Like, what is going on here? So first off, one thing we got to understand is that JP Morgan clearly has an interest in Bitcoin, and they are clearly trying to do something right now. They are clearly trying to get you to think something with these articles. Clearly, that's why else would they have any focus, right? You know, one little like piece of wisdom is, you know, a lot of people, you know, Bitcoin is seen as like an enemy to the banks, basically. And one thing when it comes to confrontations and fights and anything in general, right? Somebody who is threatened by somebody will feel the need to attack them and do something, right? If somebody truly believes that they are above a certain person or a certain situation and they have nothing to worry about, that person is not a big deal, you know, they're like below them or whatever, they wouldn't feel the need to say anything or do anything, right? JP Morgan clearly feels, you know, threatened by Bitcoin. They clearly see potential in Bitcoin, and they clearly feel the need to do something. And I am willing to bet that JP Morgan is very interested in getting involved in Bitcoin right now. And I think right now what they're trying to do with this article here, Bitcoin, you know, one of their analysts came out saying that Bitcoin could drop to 1,260. I think what they're trying to do right now is prime the public, so that when the price starts falling again, people are going to go, oh my God, right? This picture, oh my God, Bitcoin's going to drop another 50%, right? That's like what they want you all to think. And I disagree with this prediction. If we go over to the Bitcoin chart, the long-term chart here, if you were to just take this, let's just take this here, this measurement, and we're going to measure what would the percentage be if Bitcoin did drop to 1,200. It would be about a overall 93% drop for Bitcoin there if it hit 1,200. If Bitcoin had dropped 93% on the previous bear market, we would have, you know, had a move that looked something like this, right? It would have looked something like this before bouncing up. And right now, JP Morgan wants you all to believe that Bitcoin is going to do something like this before bouncing up. And I think what they're trying to do is overshoot the downside prediction so that people sort of give into the market and they can absorb the market, right? This is what I think they're priming the public to sort of give into the market and get a little scared so that they can absorb the Bitcoin when people think that it's going to go to 1,200. And I don't think we are going to do anything like this right now, guys. I don't think so. I mean, right now, JP Morgan is taking so many shots at Bitcoin, right? JP Morgan takes another shot at Bitcoin, claiming that mining isn't worth the value of the crypto. Right now mining costs are being calculated out to $2,400. Interesting. You know, this article, of course, JP Morgan says Bitcoin would only make sense in a dystopian scenario. Bitcoin bear market, this is from December 18th. Bitcoin bear market is scaring off institutional investors. Well, guys, this is actually a good piece of news. I'm happy about this. This is what bear markets are all about. You want to see this. You want to see big money get scared, right? This is what it's all about, guys. This is interesting. JP Morgan says Bitcoin would only make sense in a dystopian scenario, which is funny because that kind of goes back to my video called The Future of Crypto, Think Bigger, 2019, where I explained why Bitcoin is going to most likely do really well in the future, and why I think the future is actually going to be a little bit dystopic, but not apocalyptic. Anyway, whatever. All I wanted to say to you guys today is that I don't think we are going to see a move like this coming down to, you know, 12. Actually, it's lower than what I drew here, coming down to $1,200 and bouncing up, because that price spread would have been, if you just compare it to the last bear market, it would have looked like this, right? And I'm pretty sure, guys, that the low is going to be around $2,500. Yeah, so that's that. That's all I wanted to say to you guys today. If you liked the video, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next video.